My name is Darren Kimura. I'm the executive chairman here at LiveAction. We create a software product that helps to make very complicated networks for large companies significantly easier.
We develop kick-ass solutions for your network. My name is Cleo Valeroso. I am the Director of Human Resources for LiveAction. I have been practicing HR for about 15 years now.
Silicon Valley is a challenging place to have a company. We needed to recruit the best engineers out there. That's what led us to use a tool like Indeed Prime.
Once I found Indeed Prime, I went from a 5-week time to fill to about 2 weeks. My biggest pain point prior to using Indeed Prime was the fact that obviously there's a lot of tech organizations here and we're all competing for the same talent. It's hard to get a hold of that talent. Once I found Indeed Prime, everything I needed in order to reach out to the talent was already there. Indeed Prime provided me with exclusive access to locate top-notch talent. So every Monday I was able to get an email from Prime reminding me of the latest talent that was change ready. I can set up different detailed profile information, which included a lot of information that other tools actually did not have. Ina got on Prime just to see what was out there, and we had a great connection. After describing to her what we were looking for, it was a great fit.
Hi, I'm Ina. I work here as a software developer at LiveAction. Before Indeed Prime, the recruiters that called me, I knew that they were shooting in the dark. They didn't review my profile or my capabilities, and I didn't think it's a mutual interest. I think within Indeed Prime, it's more like a good fit between the candidate and the company.
It's not just hiring people for 2 months or 6 months, it's about building a career for them, building skill sets that will eventually help us build a better product. My name is Vishwas Puttasubbappa. I'm the VP of Engineering and Support in LiveAction. For a growing company like LiveAction, it's very important to hire the right people at the right time and at the right pace. And when I spoke to Ina, she was very gung-ho about it. She was very excited about it. And that's something that aroused my curiosity. She wants a good work-life balance, but at the same time, she's a perfectionist, which helps a company like us.
Indeed Prime is an incredibly powerful platform. It allowed us to hire people very quickly and at a fraction of the cost from a traditional recruiter.
What I love about the Prime Marketplace is that it provided me with efficiency with my hires. It is a frictionless conversation with that person because I already know what they're expecting. And it provided me with great talent.
What we found in Indeed Prime is that we can use that platform to help us become differentiated, to help reach people that we probably couldn't otherwise reach. And that's allowed us to really attract some of the best talent we've ever seen.